Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at WhiteBIT. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their WhiteBIT token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. WhiteBIT is a centralized European cryptocurrency exchange platform that was founded in 2018 by Vladimir Nosov and has more than 3 million clients. This exchange offers dozens of cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, altcoins, and is a popular option for staking, margin trading, and futures. When trading with WhiteBIT, you can switch between the basic exchange interface and a more advanced interface. You also have the option of using WhiteBIT's beginner-friendly mobile trading application. If you are a developer or you have some experience with programming, WhiteBIT offers a highly rewarding bug bounty program for finding any faults in their system. WhiteBIT also offers a decentralized exchange known as WhiteSwap that uses a governance token, and there are plenty of liquidity pools you can join on the decentralized exchange. WhiteBIT currently offers more than 80 cryptocurrency trading pairs, and you can leverage your trades by up to 20 times. This exchange is also a popular option for trading a wide range of futures, and there are dozens of stablecoin pairs on offer. They offer both crypto-to-crypto pairs, as well as crypto-to-fiat pairs, and you can add instruments to your favorites list to keep track of price movements. You can easily buy cryptocurrencies directly from the WhiteBIT web exchange or from WhiteSwap. You can also use the mobile application to easily buy cryptocurrencies. To visit the exchange, simply click on Trade and choose either Basic or Pro Trade. You can also click on Markets and instantly buy and sell crypto directly from the homepage. If you have any tokens or altcoins sitting idle in your crypto wallets, we would highly recommend staking them on the WhiteBIT platform. WhiteBIT's smart staking program offers up to 30% annual returns for holding and staking Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether. There are several staking plans, and you can lock your tokens for up to 10 days, 20 days, 90 days, 180 days, or even 360 days. If you stake for at least 360 days, you will have much higher returns, but short-term staking is also a viable option. In order to lock your tokens in one of the staking plans, click on the menu icon and select Smart Staking. You can also enter the WhiteBIT trading competitions to earn free cryptocurrencies. Most recently, WhiteBIT hosted competitions for several tokens, including Near, Cent, Volt, and several others, as well as having different Bitcoin prize pools. There are no competitions running currently, but you can view all their previous and upcoming competitions by bookmarking the Trading Competitions page. WhiteBIT also offers a referral program where you can receive 40% of every trading fee paid by the users who sign up via your referral link. All you would need to do is create a WhiteBIT account, get your referral link, and share it with your friends, family, and followers. You can easily calculate your potential earnings by using the WhiteBIT referral calculator. WhiteBIT gives you the option of using either the basic exchange or the professional exchange. To view the exchanges, click on the Trading tab and choose either Basic or Pro Trade. If you are new to trading, we would recommend using the basic exchange. The basic exchange has a very straightforward layout and makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can easily access indicators, change timeframes, and browse crypto pairs with this exchange, and it displays in-depth charts. The Pro Trade exchange has all the same features as the basic exchange. However, it shows order books and more detailed trading information. The Pro exchange also offers more order types, and you can set different types of limits on your orders. It is also much easier to leverage your tokens using the Pro exchange, as there is a dedicated panel for this on the right side of the screen. You also have the option of using the WhiteBIT mobile application. This application is beginner-friendly, and you can use it to manage your account and easily buy, sell and stake cryptocurrencies. You can download the application for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. A new feature on WhiteBIT is the Launchpad. Most recently, the Launchpad was used for the WhiteBIT WBT token, but in the future, there may be more tokens listed here. So we recommend keeping an eye on this page if you want to be involved in upcoming projects. As mentioned before, WhiteBIT also offers a highly rewarding bug bounty program, and you can earn up to $10,000 if you identify remote code execution vulnerabilities or programs that are manipulating user balances. If you have any experience with programming or development, we highly recommend checking out the Bug Bounty program to see if you can help improve and secure the WhiteBIT network and potentially earn some income. WhiteBIT is a centralized exchange. However, there is also a secure decentralized exchange with plenty of liquidity pools. The WhiteBIT DEX is called WhiteSwap. WhiteSwap runs on Ethereum and Tron and is certified by Hackin Cybersecurity Services. This decentralized exchange uses a governance token called WSS to give users voting rights, and 87% of assets are distributed amongst the WhiteSwap community. WhiteBIT recently launched its native platform token with the ticker symbol WBT. The WBT token will be used to power blockchain projects, and it will give higher referral rewards. This token will also make token holders eligible for free AML or anti-money laundering checks, and ERC20 token withdrawals will be free. The total supply of WBT is 400 million. 1 million tokens were eligible for purchase towards the end of August 2022. WhiteSwap uses the WSS and WSD tokens, and these tokens give token holders voting rights on the decentralized exchange. By holding WSD, you can submit topics to vote for, or vote on current topics. If you don't own any WGS, you can join one of the liquidity pools to earn WSS, and then stake your WSS to earn WSD. One of the most popular methods of buying crypto is peer-to-peer trading, and you can easily trade peer-to-peer with WhiteBIT by hovering your cursor over the Trade tab and clicking on Peer-to-Peer. The Bitcoin Global Peer-to-Peer platform accepts more than 50 payment methods, and over 100 currencies can be used to buy crypto. Registration is free, and you will get a 30-day commission fee trading period when you sign up. WhiteBIT does not currently offer a proprietary wallet. However, we recommend linking one of the following wallets to your WhiteBIT account and transferring your assets to your wallet. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. You can easily create an account with WhiteBIT in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the WhiteBIT homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, enter your referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. The WhiteBIT customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them if you need any assistance with your account, using the exchanges, staking, or anything else. You can contact the support team via email, and their email addresses can be found at the bottom of the homepage. We also recommend visiting the FAQ section, where you will find detailed step-by-step guides on account management, making deposits and withdrawals, using the native tokens, leveraging your trades, trading futures, and setting up orders. So, what do we like about WhiteBIT? WhiteBIT is trusted by over 3 million crypto traders from around the world. This is a beginner-friendly exchange that offers dozens of popular trading pairs, high-yield staking plans, and a decentralized exchange. By trading with WhiteBIT, you can enjoy instant, low-cost peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading, referral rewards, and a user-friendly mobile application. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your WhiteBIT account today and bring a few friends along with you to claim your referral rewards and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of WhiteBIT. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.